Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Toyota Sienna with a key. First, ensure your Sienna is in park or neutral for safety. Then, take your physical key and insert it completely into the ignition cylinder. You should feel it click into place, indicating it's properly seated and ready for the next step. This prepares the vehicle for ignition. Once the key is fully inserted, turn it clockwise to the ACC position. This activates some electrical accessories. Next, continue turning the key clockwise to the on position. You'll notice various dashboard lights illuminate, indicating the vehicle's systems are powering up. Pause briefly here to allow the vehicle's computer to perform its initial checks. With the systems powered up, turn the key further clockwise to the start position. Hold it there until the engine fully engages and starts running smoothly. You should hear the engine turn over and then settle into an idle. Once the engine is running, release the key, and it will automatically spring back to the on position, keeping the vehicle powered. After your Sienna has started, take a moment to confirm that no critical warning lights remain illuminated on your dashboard. If any persist, consult your owner's manual. You are now ready to select your gear and begin driving. Remember to always drive safely and be aware of your surroundings. Enjoy your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.